Hello, everybody. How are you? Happy Tuesday. I am so incredibly impressed with the sale that is on right now. This is our last few days in April. April for the Park Lane world is actually ending on Wednesday, so that's what the 29th. So because they're throwing out all the stops, I wanted to make sure that you guys know about the special because it's a doozy, and I don't want you missing out on it. So, of course, 2x4 sale, two least expensive pieces, four half-price pieces, get you a bonus piece. Okay, so here's what's happening right now. So I'm going to want to break it down a little bit. The 2x4 sale is always in play. You get to take advantage of that anytime you want. Two least expensive opens up four at half price, any price whatsoever. And then we always have a bonus of any item, no matter what the price, for only $35. But okay, here's the kicker. Here's what they've thrown in only until tomorrow at midnight. So if you spend $90 on your full price and your half price, then you can go pick out a bonus item, anything whatsoever, doesn't matter the price, up to 30 or up to, only $35, up to whatever price it is. I'm just turning on my comments because I noticed I didn't have them on. Okay, hello. So any full price, half price up to $90. That opens up a bonus item, any item whatsoever, no matter what the price is, for $35. And then you get to go back and you shop for another item, anything up to $100, and it's yours free. So I wanted to put together, because this is savings that is, blow your mind savings. If you want a cart, pardon me, a cart put together of the items that you're really interested in, we can do that, send it out to you so you can see what it actually looks like, what the prices end up being. But better than that, you'll see how much you're saving. But I put together just three to give you an idea of the items that you can get. So the first one I want to share with you is, actually, I'm going to start off with this. Okay, this is Trudy. And a lot of you have already got Trudy because this is a workhorse. So if you've got it in gold, get it in silver. If you got it in silver, get it in gold. It is a two-piece item. So what I'm going to show you in this set is layering pieces that you can get that you can work with everything else in your wardrobe that is going to give you all kinds of layering opportunities. Trudy is an absolute workhorse for that because you get both the chunky and the smaller chain. They're two separate pieces. You will get so much use out of this. This is $90. So boom, you've hit the $90 level. Now, of course, you want to go and you want to get two smaller pieces of earrings or, different necklaces, whatever, you can do that. I'm just doing really simple here. $90. This is a fantastic layering outfit. So what does that do? That opens up your $35 item. Let's take a look at another really great layering item, and that, put it on here so you can get a really good look at it. That would be, okay. There we go. That would be Eternal. Now, Eternal, this piece is long. It's got this incredibly gorgeous key on it with the crystals in it. I'm holding it real still so it focuses in. So this is a fantastic layering piece because it is so long. And anything when you're wearing layered divides you, right? It makes you look like you have lost weight. It makes you look thinner because it actually, instead of one broad piece across here, you've got now three pieces. So this is a very long piece. Here it is. Right? Here's the whole thing. So this is a really long piece. So you've already got tons of jewelry that is going to go fantastic with this, that you can put this on already with the pieces that you've already got. Of course, when you throw on the Trudy, that gives you another look. Like I said, Trudy is such a workhorse on this one. Okay. And then, of course, you get a free piece, right? So you've got your $90 piece. You've got your $35 piece. Even though it's over $200, you're getting this for $35. And then what I'm going to suggest, then you go and you grab this one. This is Collins. And is another long layering look. It's got that really almost like a paper clip chain, it looks like. That kind of gives you that look to it. And then it's got the lariat on it. And this is normally, I think it's $92. And you will get that extra 96. It's $96. You would get that for free. So now you have got three amazing layering pieces that you are going to use over and over and over again in your jewelry wardrobe. So that's one idea, okay? That's just taking advantage of all the longer looks. One piece at $90, one piece that is well over $200 that you're getting for $35, and the one piece that is $96 that you're getting for free. Okay, do you think that is a really good deal? I'm thinking that's a really good deal. Okay, I am missing my comments here. There we go, sorry. Okay, here's another idea. Let's go with a little more classic look and take a look at this. So this one is the ember rings. Okay, so there's the ember rings, which gives you a 3-pack of those. And we're going to go with gold and black, a little offset with crystal in here. So the ember rings, get all 3 of them, are $118. So then what are you going to do? Let's take advantage of that $35 bonus buy, and you get the Zoe, whichever way you want to call it. This is normally $222. You're going to get that for $35. Now you are going to get so much use out of this because you can put them all on. There is a heck of an arm party. It looks fantastic with the ember ring. How closely matched is that? I mean, when you look coordinated and yet they're not matchy, you're going to be able to divide these up. You can wear all gold, you can wear all black, you can wear a combination of them. You can use them with your other bracelets you've already got in your collection. And then the necklace you're going to add in for free is going to be the Lenox. So that gives you the gold chain, the pendant that is covered in crystals with the gold accents, and the Lenox is normally $94. There's your free item. So, okay, there is the ember rings. So that is $118. That gets you the Zoe, which is over $222. You're getting that for $35. And then you're getting the Lenox necklace for free. Okay, so you're getting the idea on this? I mean, this is a pretty darn good deal. Let me show you one more. Okay, let's start off with another bracelet. One of the most popular bracelets that we've got, which is the jewel bracelet. So it comes in gold, silver, hematite, rose gold, all the way around. It is a clasp bracelet. Works better when I open up the right end. Okay, it's the clasp bracelet. It's oval shaped, so it's going to sit on your wrist really prettily and not twirl around unless you got really super skinny wrists like I do. Okay, so there is your first piece. That is $104. And then that opens up your $35 bonus buy. So let's go beachy. Let's go with the Oceanic. This is normally $170. You've got this cascading shades of blue, and then you got the opaque in here. It's on a cord, so it's very super easy to wear. It looks springy. It looks summery. It's going to look fantastic with all of your spring and summer dresses. That one is normally $170. That's your $35 item. And then what does that give you? That gives you earrings. That looks so great with all of them. That is the custard earrings woven with the gold sparkle balls on the edges of them. A great hoop and super easy to wear. And doesn't it look dynamite with all of the other accessories? So your $104 bracelet, your $35 necklace, which is normally $170, and your free earrings. So if you need me to put together a package for you to see how much you're going to save, I'm happy to do that. You can also send it to your stylist. She will do it for you as well. I don't want anybody missing out on this deal. Spend $90, full and half price. That opens up a $35 bonus buy, any item whatsoever. And that opens up any item up to $100 for free. Take advantage of this. Spruce up your wardrobe for the rest of spring and summer. Yeah, I'm wearing a winter sweater, so it's not very springy here today, but it's coming, okay? And thank you all so much for joining us last night, for joining Diane and I last night. It was so great having Diane join us in here. It's always a different perspective when we are able to get our stylists coming in and talking to you about the business and what we do and what appeals to them. So I really appreciate Diane being here. I appreciate you guys tuning in here. Make sure that you are filling out that questionnaire. It is up above here. Actually, I'll post it in these comments as well. And if you want to hashtag replay, love it. If you want to follow us, absolutely love us. If you want to share this video, love it even more. We appreciate you for everything you do for us as a small business. We would not continue to be around if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for jumping in here. Take care, everybody. We will see you tomorrow night. Get that questionnaire filled out and get entered for a piece of jewelry. You never know what it's going to be, but I guarantee you it's going to be sparkly, it's going to be fun, and you're going to love it. Take care, everybody. Bye now.